Okay, this is Alex Dasman, and I'm here to teach you computer programming. Okay, here is closers. So we have a function called R that means repeat. A number that has type int means number, and close types empty parameters with returns empty, returns doesn't return anything. It's like known as parenthesis, arrow, parenthesis. The arrow is dash and greater than sign. And it says 4 underscore because we're not using it. And N0 through number and close. So you'll see what's happening. Okay, here, now we did repeat 3 print Yuri up. So we have Yuri up. And now that's working. Okay, now there's a message that's type string. If session started, message equals welcome to intermediate Swift. Print message. Now this is giving us an error. It's a compiler error because we see the X up there. So because it doesn't check all the branches of the code. There's only 2 branches. It needs a second branch. There's only an if branch. And let's see how we fix that. Okay, so we see this else branch saying, see you next year. Okay. All variables need to be initialized. So all variables need to be initialized. It'll give us a compiler error if they're not. Okay, let's go to data about generics.
Generics help us create classes, structs, enums, and functions that can work on different types. Let's take a look at an example of a stack written using generics. So here you'll see a stack, and we do stack lesser than t greater than, which basically says that the stack can work for any type, and this any type we call it t. We can actually use any variable we want. It just represents any type. So you'll see in the implementation we do the elements is an array of t, and then there's a push function that takes an element of t and adds it to the array, and there's a pop function that returns an element of t by taking it from the array. So you'll notice we never say int or string or anything like that. All we say is that this stack can work with any type, and that's what the t represents.